Do you dream of becoming a professional chef or a master baker? Your journey begins here at Servo Hospitality School Dehradun. With our specialized baking and culinary courses, we don't just teach recipes, we nurture creativity, passion, and professional skills. Our programs are accredited by CTH and OTHM, globally recognized hospitality education bodies. Learn directly from experienced chefs and industry experts. With a curriculum designed to meet international standards, earn an international certification that opens doors across the globe. With international placements, our students are already shaping their careers in world-class kitchens and hospitality brands. Join Servo Hospitality School today and take the first step toward your global culinary journey. Admissions are now open.